Tone my gym box, man. What it be like, y'all? Hey, look, y'all already know what the topic is. This topic right here. If you want to cheat, how to cheat. You know what I mean? On your diet. Well, me, I really don't think you need to cheat on a diet when you're going on a diet. But if you feel like you need to cheat once a week. Yeah, that's what I said, once a week. So if you free during the weekend, you need to eat clean. I mean, if you have a spouse or something like that and you guys want to go out to eat or something, either on a Friday or a Saturday, you got to pick one day now, between Friday or Saturday or whatever day y'all free. So let's just say most of the people work Monday through Friday. Most of the people work Monday through Friday, right? If you have a spouse or if you want to go out, blah, 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 you got to pick either Friday night or Saturday night. After that night, the next day, you back eating clean. So basically, you eating clean for 6 days and you eating dirty 1 day out of the week. You know what I mean? It's like going to work 6 days in the week. You know what I mean? So pick one day. So let's say you eat clean Monday through Friday. You like, you know what? I'm gonna eat on Saturday. I'm gonna eat dirty on Saturday. Now try not what okay. Let me before y'all start getting confused. Do I eat dirty the whole day? Nah, no, that's what you don't do. So it's like you're eating healthy. Okay, let's say Monday through Friday you eating clean. Saturday come around, let's say you don't eat, you start eating dirty after 8 o'clock. You go out to eat or go for some drinks or something. Eat clean Saturday, all Saturday morning. Now, when you go out, then you eat dirty. You got me? So, I know people gonna be like, oh man, can I eat dirty all day? No. Don't eat dirty all day. You eat dirty one time out of the day. You know what I mean? I would suggest late at night if you eating dirty. Late at night, just because you want to. Sometimes you want to live your life too. You want to have fun. You want to go out for some drinks, or you want to go out and eat a cheeseburger and fries, or you want to, you know what I'm saying? Just do that one night, and after that night, go back the next morning and start eating clean again. So you basically eating clean every day, but you're eating. It's like you're eating clean every day, but you only eating dirty for a couple of hours. Boom, you know what I mean? Or drinking a couple of hours or something like that, or whatever you do. So that's what I suggest. If your schedule, if you're off on the weekends, pick either Friday or Saturday. I would suggest, me personally, when I did do this, most of the now when I do a strict diet, I eat clean every day. But when I wanted to cheat, I cheated like on a Saturday, like a Saturday night. I'll go out or something, or you know what I mean, and get my eat on and eat whatever I want to eat all day. All night, that night. So like if I go out to a restaurant at 8 o'clock that night or something, I eat it dirty. If I want some dessert, I eat me some dessert. But that's the only time you need to eat. Yup, cheat one day out of it. So that's how you cheat on your diet. Alright, now don't overdo it and be like, oh well, I'm gonna cheat. Let me eat like 4 cheeseburgers and you know what I mean, 8 buckets of fries, and come on, man. Don't get out of control with that, man. Just have you a cheat meal. It's like ordering something from McDonald's. That'll be your cheat meal. Let me get a quarter pounder with cheese with a large fry or something. That's cheating. That's it. Right there. Boom. You cheated. Nope. That's it now. You want something sweet? Get you something sweet. Sweet potato pie, something like that. Boom. That's it. One slice. That's it. Boom. You cheated. All right. And then go back. Because later on, you're going to feel bad about the whole situation. Me, I feel bad about a lot of things when I cheat. So I feel guilty of it. Like, I shouldn't even be eating that. When you get to that point where you feeling like, dang, I don't need to be eating that. I'm not going to eat it. That you're on the right track. That takes time to do that. But, yeah, I mean, we all cheat here and there. But sometimes you're like, I'm not going to eat that. I'm not going to. Because you don't want to mess your body up or nothing like that. So if you got any questions, you already know what it is. One time out of the week, you cheating. All right? You already know what it is. You got any questions or any comments, leave it down, man. You know what I'm saying? and subscribe. Stop playing, man. Tell everybody, man. Stop playing. I'm telling y'all, man. More to come. Cheers.